YouTube, what is going on? We got the Xmaxx on the table today. This thing has been apart way too long. I've been waiting on a servo horn. This thing took forever. But this is the UDR, Traxxas UDR servo horn, guys. And from what I'm told, this is what you got to use with the Reefs Raw 500 thing, yo. This is a thing of beauty. And if it works half as good as what I hear it does, it's amazing. Obviously, you got to get the adapter to mount this in here. And then, like I said, the servo horn. So here we go, guys. First things first, guys. Pull your whole bottom plate off. Get in here and get this old servo out of here. All right, y'all. Obviously, you get it chopped, your bottom cover off. There's the old turd in all its glory. Plastic head and everything. Traxxas was they knew why they did this. Just you'd have to buy there. But yeah, we're gonna get around that. But here we go. All right, y'all. So if you got a setup like I got here, you're gonna have to pull your Max 5 off to get to your receiver box to unplug your servo and plug a new one in. So let's get that done. Y'all, so if you got the top plate, literally unscrew the top plate, pull it off, unscrew the receiver box, pull it off, take out one to turn, two to burn. That's how I always remember it. One to turn, two to burn. Unplug the first one, and it wires right through this little channel right here and goes back out. So we're going to put the new cord through the bottom up through this channel through here back into channel 1. There's your turd. Put a heat sink on that baby and everything, all turdified. All right, y'all, we'll be Reefs Raw 500. Look at this thing, y'all. I ain't even took it out yet, but take a look at this. If I can get it out here with one hand. Probably not. Ain't as good as old Ecto Cage. Old Joe be pulling that stuff off one hand and I don't even know how the hell he does it. Alright, so just look at this thing. Guys, the quality of this is unreal. And they say these are right up there on the best, so we're going to slap this in the Xmaxx and we're going to get back at it. I just want to show y'all that that thing is beautiful. Alright, y'all, I cannot emphasize this part enough. You see how the adapter goes in, right? You set the adapter plate in there, you're going to screw that down. These got these little ears right here for your servo to sit down in. You see them little tabs the servo sits in. Well, with the Reefs here, you got to cut this front plate off. See how it's touching here? It's hitting the lip. So you got to cut it and Dremel this out here. And then also, you're going to have to come over here on this, and you're going to have to Dremel this little tab here off as well. Look at that 4K, y'all. Jesus, look at that. Either way, but you're going to have to Dremel this little tab here off, and you're going to have to Dremel that little tab off there. So I'm going to get that done, and I'll bring y'all back, show you what that looks like, and we'll be right. All right, y'all, so there it is. As you see on these tops right here, it's got these little grooves that sit in there. It almost fits in without cutting it, but if you don't cut it, it will not sit in there. And you know you got it right when both sides will pop in and sit down. And I went just low enough to where it literally sits right up in there. Extra support rests right against there. So there it is, guys. That's how that one comes off. Put your 3 screws back in here that you took out of it. And there it goes. So we're going to jump over here now. And we got to knock this ledge off here with the Dremel. Get you one of these, guys. Get you one of these. This thing is amazing. So we'll jump over and Dremel that other side off. We'll be right back. Y'all got her mounted in there. And remember, plug it in. Make sure it's set at 90 degrees before you put it all back together. You have to tear it all back apart to get it set at center, so make sure you do it. We're going to button this thing together, y'all. Look at that. And this is all. I ain't even turned my BEC up yet. Look at this thing. Hold on, let me get over to it. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. We'll be right back. Thing together. Anybody that maybe just tuning in ain't seen my Xmaxx yet, obviously, it's got. Alright, got her back out here. Try not to kill myself or my truck. This servo is nuts, dude. It rolls the thing. It's got so much power.
Yeah, look how smooth it is.
Why no? And I'm barely touching.
Hey, there's a car coming.
Oh shit, that hit hard. Oh shit, that hit hard. Loves it. Dude, I can't, I'll try full throttle at once. It'll probably do a standing backflip. Oh, I broke it. No, it didn't. What the hell?
I don't know what the fuck that was.
It called when I full throttled it.
Yeah, they didn't say.
Oh shit. Yeah, something's broke. Something's broke. Something's broke. Or something ain't happy anyway. Well, folks, I don't know what in the world's going on with it. If I floor it, it cuts right out. So. Oh, this thing's got so much power, you guys. Oh, lost power. Lost. Oh, lost power. Oh no. Something happened to it. Here, boys and girls. Hey, the size of that chunk that fucker took out when it nosed though. Holy hell. Give us a little bit more video here. See if we can't not break it. Drive her naked for a second. I shouldn't do this, but. Get out of her way. Try to hit some easy jumps and not kill the damn thing. Lost power again. What in the hell? I don't understand that at all. Oh, it come unplugged. See that? Look at that pack. Right there's why she just shut off and started, I would hope, and that's probably why I was losing power. That's gonna explode probably. We're gonna have to stab that with something and blow it up. Like, oh, that sucks. And that one's fucking warm, but I think that pack's ruined. I should have never had it in there sliding around. It was the impact fucking, oh yeah, that pack sucked. I'm lucky that bitch didn't catch on fire. I'm gonna have to kill that pack because I ain't trusting it in my house. Battery gone bad. 40 cal. There she goes. Yeah, it's hissing.
That's what we do with them, bro.
It should really go up here in a second.
That way. He got hit with a hollow point. Damn it, I need some shit to throw on it. Yeah, fire night.
Lipo battery.
That's crazy, bro.
That could happen in your car, folks.
Exactly.
In your house.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be punctured. No, you're right, it don't.
I crushed the end of it, and you seen it in the video, so that's what she had to get. Torched. All right, y'all, you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong.